Hi kids, it's time for another field trip. Today we're going to search some toy surprise eggs. And yes, we will open all the eggs we find. How many will we find today? 1, 2, 5? I don't know, let's go to the restaurant and find out.
I'm going to help you today. Isn't it awesome? I will help you.
Here we are. Now let's start looking for those eggs. Where's the egg? Where is it?
Look, there's an egg there.
Yes, you found the first egg. Good job. Let's have a look inside the egg. Whoa, this is such a cool egg. It's a Pokeball from Pokemon. It's a quick ball which can capture Pokemon early in battle. Let's see what we will find inside. It's a Shopkins Season 5 surprise blind bag. Look at all the cute characters on the package. Now let's open it up. I'm curious what we will find inside. Look, here it says which Shopkins have been released for the 5th season. That's a whole lot of collectibles. Now let's look at the toy. It's a very cute Petkins backpack with a puppy face on it. Look, oh, it's winking. It's adorable. Oh, now let's open this one as well. Open the plastic. Ah, it's a Snorky. She's a very cute pair of water goggles to wear when you go snorkeling. Snorky and the Petkins backpack are so cute together, don't you think? Now let's continue our search for another egg. Ooh, where's the egg? Can you help me? Where is it? Whoa, look, another one! I found another one! Nice! That's the second egg you found. That's number 2. Let's open it up. Whoa! Do you know these superheroes? It's the Flash, Batman, Green Lantern, and Superman. They are all part of the Justice League. Now let's open it up. Peel the paper. Open the egg. Whoa! Oh! Oops! The lollipop fell on the floor. Now what do we have here? It's a Batman collectible card. And look at this moving card. It's Robin Boy Wonder slamming a car. That's so cool! And here we have an emblem with Superman, the Green Lantern and Batman on it. Sweet! And some awesome stickers of Superman, Batman and again the Green Lantern. Whoa, I can't believe all this stuff was hidden in just one egg. Now let's keep searching, because there are more eggs to be found.
Where's the egg? There's an egg up the balcony. Up on the balcony, look, there's an egg.
You've done it! You found number 3. What will we find inside the egg? Have a look at this toy surprise. It's from Cosby Capsule Toys, and it looks a little bit like a lollipop. Look, there's a cute penguin on this side and an alien UFO with a robot on this side. Now let's open it up. Whoa, look at this. First of all, there's an actual lollipop inside. But even better is this toy car. Look at this awesome blue pickup truck. It has silver flame decals on the side and on the top. To make things even better, it has sparkles everywhere. And look, you can charge the wheels and make it right like this. Oh, that's great. That's a pretty cool car for our collection. Now we found 3 eggs. Let's search for number 4.
Behind the window. You can see it, right? There's an egg.
Well done! Number 4 couldn't stay hidden for you, right? I mean, you're like a treasure seeker. Now let's unveil the toy surprise. Look at this egg. It's a very special Pokeball. It's the so-called Master Ball. It will always catch the Pokemon you're throwing it at. But now I'm curious, because what's inside this Pokeball? Let's have a look. Whoa! Look at this package. It's a Zommeling Series 1 figurine. There are already hundreds of Zommelings to collect. Now let's open up this package and see which one we have. Look! It's a small house. That's so cool. If you have multiple of these, you can make them into a tower. Let's see what's inside this tower house. Whoa! Look at this one. It's a zombie monkey. A zombie monkey, and it's called Gus. Look, these toys, they are a bit squishy. You can squeeze them. And Gus has a band-aid on his butt. And he's waving. Hi. Oh, hi Gus. He fell on the floor. Let's put Gus back in his tower house. See you next time, Gus. Bye bye. Now let's continue our search, right? I mean, we found 4 eggs so far. So let's go and find the final egg.
Where's the egg? Where is it?
Yes, 5. We found 5 eggs. That's the 5th egg you found. Good job. Now, what will we find inside this gorgeous looking egg? Look at this beautiful egg. It has the heroes from Super Wings on it. Look, here's Jet and Donnie, and we have Dizzy, and of course Jerome. I love Super Wings, and now I'm curious about what's on the inside of the egg. So let's open it up. Whoa, that's a big surprise. It's a mini dough set. Look, we've got 3 colors of dough: red, light yellow, and dark yellow. There's a small variety of shapes to play with. And we have 2 tools to cut the dough with. Oh, and look at this. There are some Super Wings stickers in the package as well. Look, here are Jet, Dizzy, Donnie, and Grand Albert. Good job, kids! You have found all the eggs I had hidden here. Did you enjoy the search? Be sure to visit JoyTown again for more great videos. Now hit that like button, leave a comment, and I hope to see you again here in JoyTown. Bye! Hi kids! It's another wonderful day in JoyTown, but something bad has happened to the surprise egg delivery guy. He has lost his surprise eggs. Now it's up to you to find them. Pups, there are surprise eggs we need to find. Who will I pick for today's mission? Chase, you make sure nobody steps on those eggs. Chase is on the case! And my second choice is... Sky. You keep your eyes open from the sky. This pup's gotta fly! Go, 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 and find those toy surprise eggs, kids. Please help Chase and Sky to find them. There are 3 eggs here at the supermarket. Do you know where they are? Have you found something yet? I found one! I found one! I found an egg! Yes! We have an egg now. Let's have a look at what's inside. Whoa! This is a mini figurine of Pikachu, one of the most famous Pokemon. He is a so-called mouse Pokemon. They normally live in forest areas, and this one has electric powers. When he evolves, he becomes a Raichu Pokemon. Oh man, I love Pikachu. Okay, we need to find more. Where are the other eggs? Here's another surprise egg! Another one! Yeah, so now we have 2 eggs. Let's open it up. Wow! This is Blastoise. He's a very strong shellfish Pokemon. And he's the final form of Squirtle. He has 2 giant water cannons on his back, so he can shoot a lot of water and even destroy walls. Blastoise loves to live around water areas. He's so awesome! Can you find the last egg? Where is it? Where's the final egg? Look, it's inside the supermarket! Oh yeah, you found them! We found 3 eggs now. Let's open the 3rd egg. Look at this one. Oh, it's so funny. It's Mare from My Little Pony Friendship is Magic. And she's dressed as a clown. Look at her. She's wearing her signature glasses, but also has a colorful wig and a funny shirt. She's dressed for Halloween, but she doesn't look very scary, does she? Mare is such a good pony. I want to bet there are more acts on the other side of town. So let's check out the cinema. Now we are at the cinema, but we're not here to watch movies. No, we are searching acts. Can you help Chase and Sky to find them? Have you found anything yet? Yes, I found an egg. Good job, Sky. You found the first one. We have 4 eggs in total now. Let's take a look at what's inside the egg. Whoa, so cool. This is Dizzy. She's a pink rescue helicopter from Super Wings. She loves to go to snowy and icy places. Dizzy is specialized in helping people and providing medical care. Look, she can transform into a robot form as well. Oh man, this is such a cool toy. There should be more eggs around here. Let's take a look around. Here, I see another surprise egg. Open it! Open it! Great, Sky, you found another one. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, this is so great. We found Everest from Paw Patrol. This is one of the coolest pups. She's a fun-loving husky pup. Jake is her best friend and together they live on his snowy mountain. She loves to slide down on her belly. Ice or snow, Everest is ready to go. We have found 5 eggs right now. Let's see if we can find more eggs somewhere else in town. Here you go, pups. We are at the playground, but there's no time for playing because we need to find those eggs. Let's look around. Did you find anything yet? You're looking for the eggs, right? Here, I found an egg, I found an egg. Yes, you found the first one. That's number 6 in total. Let's take a look inside the egg. Hey, look, it's Pegasus Olsen. She's not a very famous pony, but she does appear sometimes in the My Little Pony TV series. She's a nurse, so she's all about helping others and making them feel better. Aw, look at her, she's so cute! Now let's keep looking around, there should be more eggs around here. Any luck in your search so far? I got one! I found an egg! There you go, Chase. You found the 7th egg. That's the last one. Let's open it up. Wow, this is such a cool car. It's a DeLorean from Back to the Future. In these movies, this car can travel back in time. It's a time-traveling car. The DeLorean was actually produced in the early 80s as a real car, but only a couple of thousand were made. So this car is a real collectible. Oh man, so cool. With all the eggs found, everything turned back to normal in JoyTown. Maybe we will see more toy surprise eggs soon. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and you will find out. I hope to see you next time here in JoyTown. Bye!